right, so here we are at the WelderUp shop today, and tomorrow is a Nightmare in Vegas car show at the Silverton. Sounds like it's going to be a pretty good time. One of my good friends, Amy, over there that kind of runs the operations, asked me to come to it. So we got the freak show out. I thought it was appropriate for what we're doing tomorrow. We're going to pull it out and put it on the back of the El Diablo Loco and cruise over there tomorrow at the Silverton. If you guys aren't doing nothing, you're local here in Vegas, come over and join me. Come hang out. So this one we have to air it up. Got to fire it up. Takes a while to get air pressure so I can move it. So while it's sitting airing up, I'm gonna air up the tires on Quit Your Bitchin' because the back tires on it are like 10 years old. They don't hold air. And then the carburetors on Quit Your Bitchin' have been sitting so long, they're rotted. So Quit Your Bitchin's one of the next ones I'm gonna get at. I haven't touched that car since we built it. It's been such a great car. The carburetors are dried out though. Yeah, I think maybe next week I'm gonna haul it to my house and redo the carburetor. Carburetors haven't been rebuilt since we built the car. Fuel lines need to be replaced. There's a bunch of little things that we need to do. I wanna clean it up, spend a couple of days on it, fix some shit. I built it to take my grandkids trick-or-treating. That's what I want to do with it.
Did they ever do it yet?
My dream is to put my grandkids in here. It'd be great to get all three of my granddaughters. I got three of them. My two 5-year-olds and one that's, what is she, 9 now? Almost 10. Put my granddaughters in there and then let my oldest grandson drive and put my other grandson over there. But he's still too young. But I'll drive him around. I want to drive him around trick-or-treating. I think that's what the ultimate goal was to be. Guys, we're here at Nightmare in Vegas, right here at the Silverton Hotel in Las Vegas.